Hi everyone. One more topic from the quantum chemistry is particle in a box by violation method. Consider a particle moving from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to L along x direction. There is no external force acting on the particle which contains mass m. Inside the box the potential energy V is equal to 0. According to molecular orbital theory, for any system we calculate energy expression and the wave function psi. First we have to write the energy expression for any system. E is equal to integration of psi h psi d tau divided by integration of psi square d tau is equation number 1, where H is Hamiltonian operator or total energy operator or sum of kinetic energy and potential energy operator, where V is equal to 0, potential energy is equal to 0. Then we are writing H is equal to only kinetic energy, that is minus h square by 8 pi square m d2 by dx2. It is equation number 2. We are assuming a function psi is equal to n into x into L minus x, where n is normalization constant. At x is equal to 0, the wave function psi is equal to 0. And at x is equal to L, the wave function psi is equal to 0. From the definition of normalized function, the integration of psi square dx is equal to 1. But we assumed psi is equal to x into L minus x into n. Now we substitute psi is equal to n into x into L minus x in the normalized function, is equal to integration of n square x square L minus x square into dx between the limit x is equal to L. 0 is the initial position, L is the final position. By simplification of this equation, finally we get the normalization constant as n is equal to root of 30 by L to the power of 5. By substituting equations 2 and 3 in energy expression of equation 1, we get E is equal to integration of x is equal to 0 to x is equal to L. Psi is equal to n into x into L minus x. H is equal to minus h square by 8 pi square m d2 by dx2. Again psi n into x into L minus x dx. N into n square, h square, 8 pi square m, and integration x is equal to 0 to x is equal to L. The remaining terms x into L minus x, d2 by dx2, x into L minus x into x, x square dx, and E is equal to minus n square h square by 8 pi square m, as it is integration between limits 0 and L, x into L minus x. By differentiation of x into L minus x square is equal to minus 2 into dx. But integration of x to the power of n into dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. If we take x to the power of 2, we get x to the power of 3 divided by 3. E is equal to n into h square by 4 pi square m integration of x is equal to 0 to L xl minus x square into dx. N square h square by 4 pi square m integration of x square by 2 into L minus integration of x square is x cube by 3 from this principle between the limits 0 and L. By substituting lower limit and upper limit in place of x, we get n square h square by 4 pi square m into L cube by 2 minus L cube by 3 is equal to n square h square by 4 pi square m L cube by 6 is equal to, in place of n we are writing 30 by L to the power of 5 into h square by 4 pi square m. The remaining term is L cube by 6. Finally, 6 5s are 30. L3, L3. L2 is left. E is equal to 5h square by 4 pi square ml square is equal to, finally, the energy value for the particle in a box is 0.125 into h square by ml square. We calculated the energy value for the particle in a box from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to L along the x direction by Wavellation method. Thank you.